for her little girl. And my face may not grace the mind of everyone in the world, but that's alright, as long as I can have one wish. I pray when people look inside my life, I wanna hear them say, she has her father's eyes, her father's eyes, eyes that find the good in things when good is not around, and eyes that find the source of help when help just can't be found, and eyes full of compassion, seeing every pain, knowing what you're going through and feeling it the same, just like my father's eyes, my father's eyes, my father's eyes. You know, it's just like my father's eyes. And on that day when we will pay for all the deeds we have done, good and bad, well, they'll all be had to see by everyone. And when they're called to stand and tell just what they saw in you and me, one more than anything I know, I want their words to be, we had our father's eyes, our father's eyes. You know, eyes that found the good in things when good was not around, and eyes that found the source of help when help would not be found, and eyes full of compassion, seeing every pain, knowing what you're going through and feeling it the same, just like our father's eyes, our father's eyes.